Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the monster-ness on this one continues. Talked about this red line on Friday being a resistance, and that thing got absolutely crushed today. And in other words, a lot of updates need to be made. And assuming you're bullish on this, I mean all that in a very good way. So as far as some of the newer levels to talk about, as far as supports, the newest ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Well, ideally, if the price could stay above $1.60, that would be a massive sign of power. With that being said, don't get me wrong. It's not like if the price falls below $1.60, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could actually manage to stay up above that level, that would be a great sign of power. Looking at things from more of the bigger picture point of view, as I've talked about in past videos, and I'm going to continue to talk about because it really does a good job of just kind of cutting through all the noise and makes measuring the overall health very straightforward. And that is the purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving. So as the week plays out, that line is just going to move itself higher and higher. So I mentioned earlier, just measuring the overall health. Health of what? Well, just the overall health of the price movement. Meaning, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, sure, staying above $1.60 would be fantastic, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. And as far as areas of resistance are concerned, they just don't matter. And what do I mean by that? As I've talked about in the past, what matters the most is what the price has been doing, and this is a very crude representation, but if you picture these higher lows as stair steps, as long as these stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of themselves, including breaking areas of resistance. So just focus on healthy consolidations, focus on building those higher lows, and sit back and let the trend just keep on doing what it's already been doing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.